This is vegetable garden. I have to collect a sample of soil so that I have a look at the characteristics in terms of soil particles, in terms of the texture. We look at the color, and we look at whether it is suitable for plant growth. Let's take them somewhere where we can have a look at it. Now, this is the type of soil that I've collected from the garden, and from the look, it is loam soil. Why loam soil? Loam soil is a well-balanced soil consisting of three types of the main types of soil. That is the clay. You will have a look at the characteristics of clay in this type of soil. It also has the characteristics of silt and sand. So the sand has large particles, the silt has 5, and for the clay it has the smallest particles. Does not dominate the other. They are just balanced. For the texture, the loam soil is soft. It is smooth. It's gritty. It's grumbly. All this combination of characteristics makes it a friable texture and easy to work with. The color is brown to dark, and it is also very fertile. Why is it fertile? Because it has a lot of humus, a lot of decaying organic matter, and the decomposers themselves, they're here. We can look at these decomposers. They are here, very many of them. We can even have a look at them using our naked eye. But there are millions. Some we cannot even be able to use our naked eye to see them, but there are very many. All this indicates the fertility of this soil, and the humus makes it have that color, that dark color. Suitability for growth. Loam soil is the best. It is very suitable for growth of most plants because it's able to drain water well. It retains enough water for plants because of the presence of clay soil and the silt soil, which are good in retaining enough water for plants. And because of the sand, it's able to drain excess water. And in terms of nutrient retention, loam soil is able to retain enough nutrients for plants to be able to uptake the nutrients. And because of the presence of sand and silt, the roots are able to get enough oxygen efficiently because they are able to, the air is able to circulate in this type of soil. And for workability, you can be able to incorporate fertilizer in this soil very well, and plants can be able to germinate well in this type. The seeds can be able to germinate well in these types of soil, and even easy for one to till the land in this type of soil. That is all we can learn today about the loam soil. Thank you.